Hey, what's up guys? Samsung Galaxy A51 and A71 has been launched in Vietnam, and as the model name suggests, these are the successor to the Galaxy A50 and A70. I will tell you everything about these two phones, so stick till the end of this video. And now, let's begin. The Samsung Galaxy A51 sports a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with an Infinity O panel just like its flagship Note 10 Plus. It also gets in-display fingerprint scanner. On the back, it gets quad camera setup arranged in L shape inside a rectangular module. Take note because this could be the same look Samsung will adopt for the Galaxy S11 next year. The processor used is Exynos 9611, which is a decent processor, nothing to get excited about. From daily use perspective, it's good enough. It comes in 3 storage options: 464, 664 and 8128GB and a microSD card slot. For the cameras, the main sensor has 48 megapixel primary sensor with an f2.0 lens, along with the 12 megapixel secondary sensor with an f2.0 ultra wide angle lens. The camera setup also houses a 5 megapixel sensor with an f2.4 macro lens and a 5 megapixel depth sensor with an f2.2 lens. For selfies, the Galaxy A51 flaunts a 32 megapixel sensor at the front along with an f2.2 lens. The battery is rated at 4000 mAh with fast charging of 15 watts support. Samsung Galaxy A51 runs Android 10 with One UI 2.0 on top. There is 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C port, Bluetooth 5.0 and Dolby Atmos. The Galaxy A51 is priced at around $350 in Vietnam, that is around Rs 25,000. Now let's check out the larger and more highly spec'd of the two new smartphones. The Samsung Galaxy A71. Design-wise, it's similar to A51, but in every other aspect of this phone, it gets an upgrade. The Super AMOLED screen is a massive 6.7-inch with a 2400x1800 pixel resolution and a 20:9 aspect ratio. Security is handled by an in-display fingerprint sensor. Powering the phone is Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 processor with either 6GB or 8GB of RAM plus 128GB of internal storage and space for microSD card slot too. In camera department, A71 gets an upgrade in the main sensor from A51. Here we get 64 megapixel main sensor with f1.8 lens joined by a 12 megapixel secondary sensor with an f2.2 ultra wide angle lens. The camera setup also includes a 5 megapixel depth sensor with an f2.2 lens and a 5 megapixel sensor with an f2.4 macro lens. Moreover, there is a 32 megapixel selfie camera with an f2.2 lens. It packs a 4500 mAh battery that supports 25 watt fast charging. Samsung Galaxy A71 runs Android 10 with One UI 2.0 on top. There is 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C port, Bluetooth 5.0 and Dolby Atmos. It's all wrapped up in a pretty mirrored body with a diamond shape effect and comes in a selection of different colors including silver, blue and pink. And the company is yet to reveal how much the A71 costs. So that's it for today guys. Subscribe and like. See you in the next one. Peace out.